cloth. They're playing tug of war with the face cloth. Oh! This is going to be an instant classic. Get it, Kuna. Get it, Kuna. Get it, Kuna. Go get it, Kuna. Go get it, Kuna. Go get it, Bubby. Go get the face towel. Oh, who's that? Your brother coming? Who's that? Your brother coming? Is that your brother?
The angle she's been able to generate with that backhand really.
Oh, part two. Part two of the tug of war. Here it is.
She had to go for a huge shot. She went for the down the line. Kuznetsova getting there. Another tremendous.
Kuna's got it. She's pulling her brother. Oh, and Rafa makes a strong attempt to take it away. Kuna holds on. Get it, Kuna. Get it, Kuna. Go get it back from him, Kuna.